Welcome to our strategic guide on modernizing Epic and Availity integration for eligibility and prior authorization. We'll show you how to move from transactional friction to a smooth revenue flow. Eligibility and prior authorization bottlenecks quietly drain millions from provider revenue cycles. Staff are forced to toggle between portals, resulting in canceled patient visits and unbilled services. These breakdowns are not due to a lack of technology, but a failure of translation between systems. Issues include fragmented data, slow payer latency, and a lack of API-level sync, leading to avoidable denials. Availity acts as the bridge for payer transactions, translating EDI messages into actionable data within Epic. This supports core EDI transactions and integration points like Hyperspace and RCM modules. Despite automation's promise, gaps remain, forcing staff into manual work. This includes prior authorization follow-up, limited real-time feedback, and payer variations that Epic cannot interpret. Automation helps with initiation, but not closure. The future is hybrid, combining EDI compliance with FHIR flexibility. EDI ensures HIPAA compliance and audit trails, while FHIR provides real-time status and richer contextual data via modern APIs. This diagram visualizes the integration architecture. Epic uses RPA bots and Availity for HIPAA-compliant EDI transactions and FHIR APIs for real-time status checks with various payers. We help health systems modernize their integration with an event-driven architecture, a custom rules engine to validate payer logic before it enters Epic, and intelligent automation using RPA bots. A case insight shows optimizing a childbirth workflow. The solution used a smart on FHIR app and HL7 interfaces, resulting in a 22% reduction in claim delays and a 15% improvement in charge accuracy. Our experience delivers measurable impact, including 60% faster deployment and 80% lower integration cost. This leads to a higher first-pass yield by removing friction from high-value workflows. True revenue integrity depends on closing the loop from patient verification to claim payment. This cycle ensures every check and authorization aligns across systems, workflows, and staff actions. Our platform ensures seamless integration through pre-built accelerators, including config templates and payer rules libraries. We also offer compliance-first frameworks with security by design and audit-ready workflows. We help you track key metrics that matter, such as the % of authorizations auto-approved and the reduction in manual review rates to demonstrate the ROI of automation. Building a proactive revenue cycle means creating a digital foundation where financial events move in sync with compliance and revenue strategy. This is a strategic investment for long-term financial strength. Let's transform your revenue cycle together. Our team can help you build denial prevention workflows and optimize claim edits. Get in touch with us today to partner on a digital solution.